Welcome everybody. Today on Pressure Crisp, we're going to be cooking some ribs in the Ninja Speedi. I haven't made ribs in there yet. I did pick this up, this perfect pork rub that I'm using today. Do this the night before or do it 2 days in advance. Letting like the seasoning and the rub sitting on the meat, it makes all the difference in the world. So plan ahead and do this ahead of time. So this is a tail end of a rack of ribs. So we're just going to coat it with Pork Perfect all over. Even hit the sides. You want to hit everywhere with this. Go ahead and put gloves on if you want to. You don't have to. I'm not going to. I'm just putting my hands in the way so I don't get it all over the counter. You can probably do this, probably should have done this right on the cookie sheet that I was going to use, which I'm going to grab right after I do this side. And I just press it in. Let me grab that cookie sheet. There we go. I'm going to flip it right on the cookie sheet. Put this right in the sink. Easy cleanup, everybody. Easy cleanup. Grab that. Flip it over one more time. I just want to make sure there's enough on here. And do this as early as you can. Do it the night before. You can do it 2 days before. Like if you buy this from the store, bring it home, marinate it, cover it with Saran Wrap, and just pop it into the piece of aluminum foil. Now I'm going to be honest with everybody out there. This is the first time I'm making ribs in the Speedi. There we go. Might be a bit too much aluminum foil. What we're going to do is we're going to actually fold it. Fold it. This is just a quick, easy way to cook these ribs. There's many different ways to cook them, but this is the way we're going to do it today, in a different way. So here's our sure the ceramic square is in. Also the basket in the lower position. And I'm just going to place that aluminum foil packet right in there. Go ahead and close the lid. So we're going to head and turn the Ninja Speedi on. The temp, I'm going to turn it down to 375. The time, I'm going to up this to like 30 minutes. And hit start. And you want to make sure, I should have told you this first, sorry. Make sure it's on the air fry side because we're just going to air fry this. And we're going to hit start. Alright, so 30 minutes has gone by. We're going to open the lid. Do you guys see what happened? Next time when you put the foil wrapper in here, put this side down because you can see it right here where the aluminum was up on the burner. I didn't even think about that. So next time, like when you put it in, flip it over. So don't do what I'm doing, everybody. Use like some mitts or whatever. I'm just checking it because I'm not sure if it cooked all the way because of the aluminum blocking the heat. That looks pretty good, but we're going to do a quick temp. There we go. Now, I'm just going to do a quick temp on it just to make... Yeah, no. We're going to cook these longer. So we're going to fold them back up. And what we're going to do is crunch this down. Actually, we're going to tuck it into one another. Because I think if you fold it over, it's going to drip. So go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to... Let's see here. 375... It's not going to take 20 minutes. I'm just going to do 15 minutes and see what happens. Hey everybody, it's done. Alright, let's see here. Once again, please put mitts on because there's going to be steam coming out of here. I know. I should listen to my own advice. Here, I'll use tongs. Alright. Ooh, yeah. Quick temp on it. I just want to see where the temperature is on this. This is awesome. Okay, great. It's like almost 200 degrees, and that's where we want our ribs. So what we're going to do is, we can do it right in the aluminum foil for easy cleanup, shall we say. So I'm just going to put this down like this. Ow! Be careful, I just burnt myself. So what I'm going to do is bone side first. Oh yeah, look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This actually looks good. All right, we're going to put some Sweet Baby Ray's on here. And we're just going to air fry each side with some barbecue sauce on there. We're going to brush it on. All right, so we're going to lower this down. We're going to broil this 450 I'm just going to leave it on 10 minutes because I'm only going to do like 3 minutes each side. I'll check it to make sure the barbecue sauce is cooked like a little bit. And we're going to hit start. So about 2 minutes has gone by. We're just going to check it. Excuse me, I just breathed in the barbecue sauce. That's perfect. We're going to go ahead and flip this. Once again, please be careful, everybody. Put more barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, actually this is really going to be good. All right, we're going to cook this for probably like another 2 minutes and then it'll be done. We're going to let it rest, and my sister-in-law is going to be the taste tester for these ribs. All right, we're just going to take a look-see. That actually looks pretty good. Okay, so this is Shelly, my sister-in-law. She's going to do the taste test. I'm going to do one too, but she's going to go first. But oh guys, I forgot to show you. Look. So, like I was telling Shelly, these are not going to be fall off the bone. It takes hours to get them like to the fall off the bone part. Well, not hours. It'll probably take like an hour, hour and a half in the Speedi. Outside, it'll take like 3 hours. So, pick your poison. I mean, pick your rib.
I want the least messy one. No, they're all messy. All right. Ooh, they're warm.
Oh, are they too hot?
Yeah, they're a little hot. They're a little hot.
I know, me and Michael can like.
Yeah, they're hot.
Sorry, we're doing hot tasting here.
No bones in them?
No, there's bone in that one. There's no bones in this little piece here.
Yeah.
Let's just look at the camera.
Ah. They're hot.
She's taste testing. I'm going to taste test one little rib here. How are they?
Good. They're very good. They're messy though.
Well, they are actually good.
They're good.
Thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more Speedi vids.